Welcome back to the channel. In this video we'll discuss about how to install the XAMPP server on your Windows operating system. So XAMPP server is one of the popular server to work with PHP and MySQL server. Like in front end, if you want to work with any HTML, and in the back you want to work with PHP, and then in the data layer, if you want to work with the MySQL server, this is the best server that is available. It is having a basic three-step process. That is, first let us download the file, and we'll go to this link, and here we can find XAMPP for different operating system like Windows, Linux, Mac operating system. Let us go and see for the Windows operating system. Here we have latest version, that is 8.0.28. we will download this one, right? Just click on this button and it will be downloaded here. So once the file is downloaded, we'll come back here. Like my file is downloaded here. The second step is to install this particular file. Just you click on the install button and follow through the particular part. Don't change anything here. Just you click on those particular next button, right? So let us go and configure the path for this and click on the next button. So it will ask you for a folder, that is we'll choose the C:XAMPP folder. Okay, so this is C:XAMPP folder. We are selecting it here, and then we are going to press on the next, right? So this folder is available. If it is not there, it will be created. Okay, and just to follow the things, it will be unpacking and installing all the libraries, okay, that are required here. Once it is completed, we will come back again, right? So here it is being unpacking all these particular things here. So we'll come back here and configure the directories once it have been completed installation. Okay, so it has completed almost. Let us wait for some time and see the configuration of this one. So now your file installation is completed here. So we'll go to the control panel and we'll configure the directories for this. So we need to understand where this XAMPP is installed and where we have to write our PHP programs and how to execute them, that we will be seeing. Before that, we go to the control panel. In this control panel, you can see all these are the different servers. Let us start the Apache server, because to run PHP we need this Apache server here. Like, let us go and click on the start button here. So once it is started, we'll configure the folders here. Go to search for XAMPP and htdocs. So this is the folder where you have to write the program. Let us go and write a simple program, that is we'll create a simple text file here with some demo.php name. So just right click and create a new text file, right? So new particular text file is created. Just save it as demo.php. Okay, and we will write a simple hello world program in this demo.php, and we will see how to run this particular PHP program, right? Let's open this one and just you write PHP syntax we can write. So this is the basic syntax of a PHP file, and just you write PHP echo, and then you just write hello world and just close the PHP here. Okay, just hello world, that is hello PHP will be writing, right? Next one is we'll just close this PHP format. Okay, now save this particular document. As I already told you that it should be saved as like a .php. So anyhow, we'll just resave it again, like a demo.php we will be saving. Previously it was saved stored as a text file. Now we will save it as a original PHP file, right? PHP file was created here. Let us go and run this particular file. To run this, we should go to a browser and just open the path like localhost slash whatever the path is there, that you can open the name of the file, like demo.php can be opened. So as you open this, you can see that sample output, that is equal to hello.php was configured. This is how we can three-step simple process how to download, install and configure the directories, and just write a simple program and run this particular program here. So hope you understand this one, and it was useful. Thanks for watching this. If you really like the content, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and get notified for the further videos. Like, please like the video and share it with your friends.